for some rap. You can call me Sammy. You can call me Sammy. I'm really funny. I'm really funny. I'm a cool star and I got a lot of money, 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 money.
Bravo, Sammy. You're a really cool and funny slime. But I don't see a ton of your money.
Here is my ton of money.
Sam, this doesn't look cool enough. I have a better idea. Hi, guys. Today we're gonna make a blaster.
Sue, I don't know what that has to do with rapping.
Well, our blaster will be made out of cardboard and it'll shoot money.
Oh, yeah! I can't even imagine the level of my coolness.
Sammy, I think rap is definitely your cup of tea.
Oh, yeah. Call me Lil Sammy.
That's an awesome nickname. Now, you have to record your first album.
Whoa, an album! I need to come up with a name.
In the end, you should get a thing like this. Hey, Sam, I want to be a rapper too.
Show me what you got.
Get ready to admire me. Here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go. My name is Sue, and I can make you a suit. What? It'll be the latest fashion, and you'll wear it with passion. Yo.
Not bad, but there is room for improvement.
Of course, the sky's the limit, but my rap is perfect. Here, we'll put the battery.
Sue, sometimes you are far too confident. Sue, what are you drawing?
The cover for your new album. What? It looks nice to me.
Yeah, but the sky's the limit.
Yes, but in fact, this is part of our blaster. We'll need 2 of these. Guys, don't forget to be careful while working with the hot glue. Ask an adult to help you. Let's insert this right here. Awesome!
Sue, you need a rapper nickname too.
You're right. How about, MC Susie?
Nah, Sue, that's old school.
Well, what then?
And you need something really cool. And I don't know. Bright, bold.
Oh no, Sammy, I want to be a kind rapper, and I want a kind nickname. For example, Beauty Sue.
It's too sweet.
You know, I decided that I don't need a nickname. I like my name. I'll just be Rapper Sue.
Sue. Sounds good.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. It's easy to remember and catchy. Guys, give a thumbs up if you like our nicknames.
I would give 100 of them. It's a pity I can't do it.
Let's make the hole to pass a wire through it. Thread the wire carefully. Alright.
It looks not that cool for now.
Just have a little patience, Sammy. When I finish assembling this money blaster for you, I am sure you'll be thrilled.
We'll see. We'll see.
And now we'll solder the wires to the metal plate.
Oh, interesting.
It reminds me of science class. I always love them. For me, it's some kind of magic. Guys, it's better to ask an adult to help you with this step. Now, carefully attach the wire to the base of our blaster. Just like this.
Sue, I've got a brilliant idea. Let's record something together.
That sounds great! Guys, look. I pull the trigger and the plates come into contact. Later, you'll see what we need it for. In the meantime, we need to come up with lyrics for our song.
We should rap about our crafts.
Something like, we like to craft, and nothing can make us stop. I don't know. I can't think of anything else. Try yourself.
Don't worry, Sue.
Oh, fine.
Inspiration is a very treacherous thing. Now it's here and then it's gone.
That's true. By the way, check this out. As they say, inspiration doesn't visit the lazy.
Laziness, it's not about us.
Our money blaster is almost ready. Just some small details are left. First, we're going to install the wheel. With its help, our blaster will shoot the money.
Money, money, money.
Exactly, Sammy. Must be funny. Ba-da-ba-da-ba. These will be the side parts of our blaster. I wonder how many rappers have money blasters. I can't think of anyone actually.
We will be the first ones.
Sammy, maybe you can come up with lyrics for our song? You can write the beginning and I will take care of the ending.
Awesome idea.
Let's glue it carefully.
Sue, keep it down. You're distracting me. Craft, chefs, wefts, drafts.
Whoa, there's a creative process going on. Let's not bother him. And better get back to work. Add some glue here.
Sue, I did it, and it's brilliant.
Yeah? That's great, Sammy. I just need to write the ending and the song is ready. As well as our blaster. Perfect. The main part is almost done. Let's apply more glue. Be careful here not to make a mess and get stuck. Now glue the parts together. Done!
It's time for decoration.
Hooray! Money, money, money. Sam, your turn.
Oh, yeah.
Finishing touch and done. What a cool money blaster! I'm gonna fill this room with money. What is it? Sammy?
Oh, Sue, how do you like my new style?
Very rapper-like.
It's time for our awesome song.
Yay!
Skir, skir. With Six Sam.
It's your favorite show. Hit the bell button.
And subscribe below.
Bye, guys.
Bye, everyone. Skir.